conference is an opportunity for people to get an insight into their faith from some of the most powerful church leaders, from some of the best educators in the country.
We need to not only have good knowledge of our faith, but we need to have the ability to communicate that faith.
We have to know what we stand for and we have to live it. And I believe this conference is an opportunity to be an effective witness about the love and the truth and the freedom of Christ.
One of the little-known facts about the Minister Conferences is that there are any number of vendors. We have music vendors, we have sacred arts, there's food, there's beverages, there are things to buy. It's really a wonderful opportunity.
I consider the ministry conference to be essential for all Catholics.
But we want to make sure that anybody who would like to come, everybody in North Texas and beyond, feels welcome to come and learn and reflect and study about their faith and grow in that. Please come, be nourished, and join together with your brothers and sisters in North Texas in living, proclaiming, and studying our Catholic faith.